Angelique here, and today I'm going to share a scrapbook process video with you, and it's from a weekly challenge called Scraplift Sunday from Paper Issues Friends and Fans group on Facebook. The layout I'm doing is for June 30th, so I'm definitely way behind, but that's okay. I'll continue with the challenges from September 24 for my next videos. For this one, I'm using the Blooming Wild collection by Paige Evans. And the layout we are scrap lifting is one by Wendy R. I wish I could say her last name. Whose information, I'll go ahead and leave it down in the description box below. So Wendy started using a stencil on her background with some inks. And I'm going to use a stencil also, but I'm going to mix some acrylic paint with white gesso to create the dotted background. I honestly cannot remember where I got this stencil, but it's just simple dots. The paint I used is from Deco Art Americana Premium, and the colors are dioxazine purple and cobalt teal blue. I spread the mixed media and dry it with my heat gun, and I continue to do this until my page is completely full of those dots. And at the end, I'll draw the entire page to make sure it's okay to start layering the photos and the embellishments. I got this pink polka dotted 6x6 paper from my stash to put a second layer under my photos. I trim the edges with scissors, but there are several different ways you can trim your paper, and on the next base layer that I'll use a self-healing mat that I got from Dollar Tree and an X-Acto knife and my Tim Holtz ruler. And I line it up to where it's just 1/8 of an inch off, and I cut that edge off. Of course, you can use a paper trimmer, but I decided not to this time. Here we are. It's time for the fun part. You glue down the photos and play with the embellishments. These photos are of my second daughter's second birthday in 1998, so I'm way behind in my layouts, but I'm working on it. I've been organizing my printed photos and my digitals, and I'm trying to figure out what I really want to print, because y'all, we don't need to print all the photos like we did back then. It's just too many, and that's including the doubles we thought we needed, and in some cases we printed triples. Plus, I still have the negatives from the printed photos. Me personally, I don't want to keep them, but for now I will, because I can't bring myself to throw them out yet. So if you're there with me on that one, let me know. I don't scrapbook chronologically, but I do like for my everyday photos to be in a chronological scrapbook album. I also have themed scrapbook albums, and those are Christmas, Easter, the kids' school, their birthdays, our vacations, our wedding, and then my favorite of all time, Halloween. Hopefully, eventually, I'd like to get into my old photos and redo those albums. And I'll do this with my husband's photos also. Lots to do, lots to plan, but slowly but surely getting it done. I hope y'all are enjoying the process of this layout. I got the collection from the Scraproom Kit Club. They have Flavors of the Month kit, which includes 4 individually packaged page kits, giving you a sampling of the latest scrapbooking products. Your monthly kit contains enough paper and embellishments to complete at least 8 12x12 scrapbook pages. And there's also a double shot kit, which comes with sampling of 2 page kits, which contains enough paper to complete 4 12x12 layouts. They also have add-ons that you can purchase and embellishments. And as for now, this is the only place I get my kits, because I love the samples of the different choices, and pretty much the decision is made for me. And y'all, that suits me just fine. I've cut my title on my Cricut using white cardstock and pink polka dot cardstock. And it's Happy Birthday, Sweet Baby Girl. I usually cut out 3 layers, 2 layers of white, and a pretty layer goes on top. Except this time I noticed I only cut out 1 white cardstock and 2 of the pretty papers. But anyhow, I'm going to layer those up to create dimension. And I have this circle stencil that is perfect for the alignment of the letters on the page. It makes it so much easier to line up these letters in an art design. I just love it. Just a coincidence that it's a happy birthday stencil. Finally, pop on that last heart, and there you go. It's a finished layout. I hope y'all decide to join in the September challenges in the group. Again, I'll leave that info in the description box below. It's called Paper Issues Friends and Fans on Facebook. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me put together this layout, possibly got some inspiration to create your own layout. And if you've enjoyed this and want to see more, check out my other videos. Subscribe and hit that bell so you'll be notified when a new video comes out. And while you're at it, hit that thumbs up. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all again next time. Y'all have a great day. Bye.